SEO and AEO are completely different, but they're also kind of the same. So check it out. I'm going to be dropping as much information on this new topic that's also going to be the old topic for the next 90 days or next 90 years, who knows, but I'm going to make sure you guys understand it because everyone already understands Google and SEO, right? You want to help Google and Yahoo find your website or business with things on your content, your website, but now everyone's using ChatGPT, Bard, Claude, and all of these other LLMs. And now they're directly integrated into the internet and they're helping people find businesses, find services, suggest products. And now we have to start optimizing for AEO, which is AI Engine Optimization. So I'm going to dive into this in the next few days, weeks, years, months, eons to make sure you guys understand what is going on because I'm blown away when one of my clients got a lead from GPT in Haiti, even though they're based here in Miami, Florida. So I'm going to give you a lot more information coming soon. Check it out. AEO, it's the next wave that we have to pay attention to as marketers or business owners. Chat soon.